Natural soap. What do we need? Let's get started. Break glycerin flakes into small pieces and put them in a small glass bowl. Ask an adult to put the bowl in microwave for 10 seconds. Add 2 drops of yellow color and 4 drops of any scent. Add 3 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey to the bowl and mix well. Pour the mixture in a mold and freeze it for 2 hours. Did you get a nice smelling soap?
Yay! Yay!
Scientific explanation. The soap is made of salt and fatty acids. One particle interacts with water and the other interacts with dirt.